another video, guys. Today we have Mr. Momen. He's going for the road test, inshallah, next week. He is my student. He came with no experience at all, and slowly, we start to build up his confidence. He was not trying to drive, because he was kind of nervous to drive, but we slowly build up his confidence, and today, guys, he's going to do mock test, inshallah. Hi everyone, hope everyone doing well and good health, inshallah, always. Today I am with my brother, student Mr. Momen. We are going to do mock test, inshallah, before the final test. Wish him good luck, inshallah. This is Mr. Momen. Momen, how are you, brother?
All good, Ahmed.
Good? Alhamdulillah. Okay, are you ready, inshallah, for the mock test?
Inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah. Alright, guys, so this location called Wadi Kabir, the area of the test. Brother Momen, how are you?
Yeah, all good, sir.
Good. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Can you go right? Relax, brother, okay? Momen,
Yes.
relax, okay? No problem, inshallah. So, do you like mock test? Training, only training. Momen. Okay. Momen, can you change the line to the left? Not allowed, huh? Momen, this is straight line, not allowed, okay? Not allowed to change the line, okay?
Okay.
Be careful. Okay, we go right. Right, Momen. Momen, here, no need to stop. Just turn and move. Oh, yeah, Momen, you forget. What's happening, Momen? Why you are touching the line too much? Oh, this. Right, huh? Too close also from that side. What the speed limited, Momen, here?
16.
Yeah. So how to do overtaking? Allowed? Not allowed.
Yeah.
Allowed?
No. Yeah, allowed.
Try to be more sure about the correct answer, okay? We go right. Okay, Momen, full right. Can you park right, Momen?
Yes.
only mistake, brother. Hmm? You bark, no? You bark, no? Brother, woman,
Yes, sir.
mashallah, you know what the mistakes you do?
Yeah,
Not only there, so many mistakes. So try to be careful, okay? Try to fix this problem, huh?
sure, sir.
Also, the party is not good. But inshallah, you will fix this one. Don't worry, inshallah. But try your best, huh? We are always do mistakes. Nobody can do. Everybody do mistakes, but we will learn from our mistakes. That's no problem, huh?
Sure.
Inshallah. Thank you, brother. Thank you guys for watching. See you, inshallah, another video. Inshallah, you will see Mr. Momen with the perfect driving. Okay, inshallah. Thank you.